Imagine a world where the loss of a limb doesn't mean the loss of mobility. Welcome to the revolutionary platform that connects individuals with the magic of 3D printed, customizable prosthetics. This isn't just about replacing what was lost. It's about reclaiming the ability to live fully, without barriers. Our platform offers an array of designs, each tailored to fit the unique needs and lifestyle of its user. Here's how it works. Users consult with top-notch designers who use cutting-edge 3D printing technology to create prosthetics that aren't just functional, but are also aesthetically pleasing. Affordability is key. We bridge the gap between expensive prosthetic solutions and those in need, ensuring that high-quality, personalized prosthetics are accessible to everyone, everywhere. The impact of this technology is profound. From veterans to accident survivors, the stories of regained independence and renewed hope are countless. Each prosthetic piece is more than an aid. It's a part of their journey back to full life. But don't just take our word for it. The proof lies in the outcomes. Research and feedback show significant improvements in mobility and daily activities, transforming lives one step at a time. Curious to learn more? Dive deep into the resources available, from expert-led courses on Coursera and edX to insightful podcasts and YouTube documentaries that showcase the transformative power of 3D printed prosthetics. This is just the beginning. As technology advances, so too will the possibilities for customization and innovation in prosthetic design. Join us on this journey and be a part of a movement that's reshaping futures every day.